Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We are the Jamaica Young Police channel. We do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madness. Moving on to our video. Yeah, so the question has been asked, by some members in the Patreon squad. We have name brand criminals. Oh, we not a name brand police again. No name brand detective. We don't have no Tom Levine, no Keith Trinity Gardner, no Isaiah Ling, no Bigger Ford, no Tony Hewitt, no Bobby Reds. We don't have no Dadrick Henry. We don't have no Arthur Fabs. And we are talking about, we talk about police and them thing. Although, some people are like, we run the thing through other senior men, senior detectives, senior men who have served in the police force, who give them, the credence, because this list is now, of these police officers who drive fear into the heart of criminals. It's not just an ordinary listener, it's a list that have been compiled and we get the green light from other police officers. So we now, not only for the street, but based on police officers' experiences, working with these men from the 70s to the 2000s. Yes, yeah, man. So where I tell you, give you the things in chronological order. These 7 fear policemen. So before we begin today's video, we want to let our Patreon members know we are incredibly grateful for their support. Our Jamaican Young Police channel squad has members from the following countries: England, United States of America, and we just tell you by the list based on the subscription: England, United States of America. And look here, we used to think about England, I mean, it's people them in the English them, but it's surprising that the English them top the list, then United States of America, then Jamaica. Why? That was really shocking. Jamaica. No disrespect to my Jamaican people, you understand what I'm saying? We know that, cause we used to have, people have credit card in Jamaica a long time, from key card and all of these things, you understand? People from Canada, Cayman Island, Trinidad and Tobago, Sweden, Spain, Germany, Nigeria, South Africa, Italy, Russia. Yeah, man, last but least, Barbados. Yeah, so we want to give thanks to the people them from Barbados, yes. We give thanks to all of these people. So your ongoing support is invaluable to us to continue producing high quality content, and thank you. So as we are telling now, so we are going on also regarding law enforcement legends. Yeah, man, when we say legend, we are talking about men who keep the streets, who drive fear into the heart of criminal. Hey, when time boy hear them name, I tell you, say them have diarrhea. No ordinary, I tell you, yeah. Hey, when them hear, all the year a guy a go on and a talk about, say, boy, man, a shot and this and that. When these detectives were on the street, them drive fear in the heart of criminal. Hey, man, here say all them man I come look for them in the metropolitan area. Man have diarrhea. I tell you, because man knows if him not turn himself, him know what time it is. That's when time the street used to, yeah, criminal, yeah man, what? The man make Jamaica safe back then and them thing there. You know, like all with me I grew up, me could have walk from concrete jungle go downtown up here. I say it all the time. Them time I had them police here fire upon the street, you know man. I tell you, you know, yeah man. You understand? You know, the great, I can't tell you, the baddest police ever, Tom Levine. Ask any police, ask Trinity, Isaiah Leng, Bigger Ford, Tony, Bobby Reds, as a year man like Joe Lickshot where I'll tell you, cause the man they know the man they are all legend in the street. And Dadrick Henry. Every police want to be the Tom Levine. Cause Tom Levine was the man. There's no other police in our force, you know, where have the record with Tom Levine, when him drive fear in a boy. You know. As a era all bad man, Liquor 13 from out by Backbush. Your man say when him died at prison, a man called Tom Levine, a man shit up themselves in a prison. Excuse me language, we have to just tell you as it is. Yeah. And a prison man there, the man belly get weak. So you see the fear where that the man, that I man where you see the arrow upon, you know. That I the fear where the man is driving I out a criminal. Yeah man, anytime I grow up as a little boy, them man they have all 7 funeral on a Sunday at Mapen Cemetery. Yeah man, in the 70s, 80s, them man they not play. Criminal used to live in a fear of losing them life. You understand? And whether or not you want to believe it, you know, so in them days there, they used to kill more police than what them kill now. Although the boy them have more gun now, you know. But them the criminal there, you know, them did more train because most of them were brigadistas, PMP criminal organization gunmen. Well, I tell you. And them man wipe them out, you know. Yeah man. And you see at Stepper gang out of East Kingston, yeah man, I keep Trinity Gardner responsible, you know, to eradicate them, you know. That's what I tell you, say, about 40 gunmen them that, you know, Trinity, yeah man. Ask any police way out of East and them thing there. Them man the responsible one for at Stepper gang, man. You understand? At Stepper gang was led by one of the man named Kappa. Yeah man. Trinity not play, man, but you know, so we continue the journey. So Detective Tom Levine, yeah man, Trinity Leng, that are Isaiah Leng. Cause you know, so you have 2 Leng though. Yeah, you have Noel Leng and Isaiah Leng, 2 bad police. Noel Leng, them man they used to Noel Leng, yeah, we don't put up him photograph, but them man Noel Leng are an ordinary detective either. Them the man that, so them 2 Leng there are 2 outstanding. Leng used to work at East, yeah, he used to work at Kingston East. So the man, hey, well, may I tell you this now, as an old detective, but I not you want to believe it. Look, you're a police body, you know. I tell you this, you know. You see, East Kingston, I want dangerous place to work, you know. East Kingston even more dangerous than West Kingston in terms of when it comes on to rifle. Because the thing is that with East Kingston is labor right and PMP, but guess what? Them have one enemy I security force. So even time the police them and them PMP them gunman them in a shootout, the labor would join with the gunman them and take on the police. I saw them stay. You understand? Enemy of my enemy is my friend. I saw them do it. And all of them get, you understand? Oh, so that's why we all is I said, oh East Kingston get there, you know, allow. And look how much time police got Tivoli Garden. Out of all now, we never seen a big operation out of East Kingston. All of these years from where I grew up. And I like say, hey, look here, we have family out there, you know. We used to go out there as youth and them thing. All up at Warwick Hill, we used to sleep at night and them thing up at our family house up there. We don't call them name and them thing. Because we used to see all the soldiers them. Because the road up there, sir, a stone, you know. And that team road, you know, a stone. And I just the wheelie them and the V150 could have drive up there and them thing. But most of the time in the early 80s, you used to see police and the soldier them. And the police them used to have, the soldier them used to have them camel buckle, you know, or, you understand, where they carry them water in and I green something on them belt and them thing. Them time, you know, no bulletproof vest, you know. You understand what I tell you? So remember, you know, yeah man, I will tell you, Detective Tom Levine, Trinity, I be a detective them this up. Leng, Bigger Ford, Tony with her, yeah man, bad, them was the bad police, them a town, bad police. And then you have a man now in the east, yeah man, a brother named Bigger Young. At first we talk about him, you know. Yeah man, see him the Bigger Young, the man there. The man that used to run in the east. what we say East, the man they back in ideas and them thing, the bigger young, bad police, bad detective. So we soon tell you a load on all about them man, you understand? So, you know, the reason why you not got hear Reneto Adams was no detective. We can let you hear, we have to hear something about Reneto Adams. Because Reneto Adams was a traffic police and he used to shoot down bus man. We said that without any apologies because the police we used to work with, I tell you, when he was a corporal. Yeah man, he used to shoot down the bus man them. So I know Reneto Adams is a shoot down specialist. That's why if a man is corrupt from day one, you can't, if he not decide which him still corrupt. So that's why he is in the eyes of us at the Jamaica Young, still seen as one of the most corrupt police officers. Him and Harry Bungles. I will say that without no apologies. Not because you understand what I'm saying. Them man they will kill who you know, little sprat them and them thing they are labor right. Them no kill PMP gunman cause them and them a friend. As a hear a man say and them thing they all Jard Flash a man you know where a bad man. If you listen to the channel you hear a man say oh Jard Flash, this him wicked up a Warwick Hill because through them know say him a comrade. Oh, all them things that them telling him out at East Kingston. And the police was there to corroborate with Jard Flash say, you think nobody could have talked to all my none of my boss them here. Jard Flash and Tony Brown and man there with illegal gun and show you as police you're criminal. Nah man, them things they couldn't happen on them things. That's why I tell you say we don't have no respect for them kind of police there. Police will mix up with criminal. You understand? Yeah. Boy, if you live in a fear of losing them life. You understand what I'm saying? Like you see, I look for my money. You know, the baddest top detective ever. We sent 160 over 160 gunmen to the departure alone. I'm at 87 now. And he's the original name brand detective ever, Tom Levine. We try to call him, but we not get him. We don't like to talk to him because him all know on them thing there. Them man, although we talk to him, we used to work with him at Huntsville. We don't like to talk with him to make him give us some background why him joined the police force and in days when him days as a name brand detective, you know, so so why they were able to reduce crime and make criminal live in a fear, even when man that prisoner hear him name, man, you know, as a year liquor 13 say, man, mess up themselves. So you must know that will show you how effective these men were as detective. Tom Levine. Imagine a man that prison where him safe. You mean that a man attack, you know, criminal attack about police and a man just him bowels just get weak. You understand? Me I tell you, I just saw it go. So regarding law enforcement legends, the Kingston metropolitan area has produced some of the most fearless and formidable police officers from the 1970s to the early 2000s. Unlike other lists, ours is grounded in facts, statistics, and undeniable evidence of their extraordinary bravery and impact on crime reduction. So we're not going on a pie in the sky thing and a setting because we like no guy. We are telling you the truth. Yeah, and when a guy talk about no, Reneto Adams a squad police, him and a detective. Uniform police normally, no disrespect to them, apart from like the mobile reserve man, them ranger squad man, them and all them man there. See them dismantle ranger squad. Everything of a fight crime, you know, them dismantle it, you know. Because you have to understand say Jamaica is a criminal paradise. And most of the Jamaican people, some of the Jamaican people are criminal-minded, and criminal-minded people elected criminal-minded politicians. So if a man is criminal-minded, no matter because he's a lawmaker, him still I think like criminals. So I pass law at all times, and law for benefit the criminals them. So them dismantle mobile reserve, and it was done because of to protect the criminals them. You understand? So unlike the other list them, as we tell you, our list go through the various. You know, go through the various hands and people tick and say no, this, that, and them trim off the name them, you understand? When I tell everybody them name that was on the list that we prepare, what we know. We are talking about from before we are police, what we know about from we are youth that grow up on them thing there and in the Kingston metropolitan area. So here we present the names of these exceptional officers, rank from bottom to top, whose legacy continue to influence the region in the Kingston metropolitan region. As you hear Joe Lickshot talk, and you hear it for yourself, what Joe Lickshot tell you. So after Trinity, After all you did here, man, I talk about Kanye and all them, man. After Trinity and Tom Levine left, you hear the man say, Kanye never have the impact like Bobby Reds, but Bobby Reds just low key. And when Bobby Reds even rise even bigger now when we and him start work together. You hear that from Joe Lick Shop. Kanye was effective, but Kanye not have the sting like Bobby. But because Bobby low key, and later on, boy, him just blow up because people them realize, hey, I saw the red boy at the state. So starting from bottom to top, we have Bobby Reds, you know, yeah man, synonymous with fear among criminals in Huntsville police area. Since the 1980s, Bobby Reds has been a relentless force against crime, making a significant impact by confronting some of the most notorious criminals. His relentless pursuit led to the dismantling of the Natty Morgan gang and eradication of bus robbers who terrorized commuters. Alright, most people that you know them thing. One time, you know, we used to have bus robbery on Spanish Town Road and down by Freezio. Bobby Reds is one of the men instrumental in eradicating bus robberies in a St. Andrew South police here. I know even after I had left, like, that was, yeah, no man want commit no robbery. But I tell you that, nobody know want, you understand, because nobody know like the departure alone. Because you can't rob and not shoot people and them thing that expects a boy, it'll be same there. No, one idea you look at a run out, and most of the robber them realize, boy, them look a run out, and them say, that boy, you can't, you know, them say, boy, hey, boy, Mr. Bobby and them thing there, you know, say, boy, come like them on a deal. So it's like a man I commit a robbery and as him come off a bus with him gun and them thing, with him gun in them and boop. Yeah man, I honestly safe in that him reach up in all them thing there. I just saw it go. So Bobby, he was instrumental in maintaining law and order despite facing murder charges that were never held due to lack of witnesses. Alright, may I show you them stay now, whether or not you want to believe it. You see Bobby now, sir, Bobby worked for over a decade, you know. Bad police. I want to be bravest police. Yeah, Bobby. We can't tell you about brave police then. Bobby Reds, Gunter, Rocky, Ashman, Sledge had done. Sledge in a league by himself. Sledge and Rocky. But we can't tell it. Bobby, may I tell you man, him like anytime a gunshot fire, it's like something go off fire. Like him come turn like a crackhead and them thing there. But if you say you go shoot off a Bobby and yeah get it. It's like you evoke something in him. If you even run go hell, he might fall you down them, I tell you, I saw him stay. Yeah man, so Bobby Red's the fearless enforcer of Huntsville. I'll even to this day, Bobby ring in a Huntsville same here. So Bobby Reds is one of the most feared and respected cop in history of Huntsville. Yeah man, that after Tom Levine, all you hear our friend named Wedderburn, you hear Wedderburn talk about him because Wedderburn used to that Huntsville. So after them got left, Bobby Reds are the man who take up the mantle. You understand? As much as Jerry Pollock and the man nothing named Bobby. Because the man was politician police. Bobby are police. So police will kill people through them and labor, right? The men are police, are criminal them. You understand? Bobby Reds are police. You understand? So since the 1980s, Bobby Reds' presence has been synonymous with justice and fear for criminal underworld. Throughout his illustrious career, Bobby Reds encountered some of the most dangerous criminals in Huntsville police area, sending countless offenders, yeah man, to what we refer to as the departure loan. Bobby no play them way, the man. Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, one time where I tell you this between me and you. Yeah, so I'm telling you that after this happened before we got Huntsville, Bobby have a case of gun court with a gun on. I tell you, the judge say, he no believe Bobby and everything. I tell you, in a gun court, yeah, the judge say no believe Bobby, because him say, literally I say, me just on the ground and them thing there. You know all people with gun and carry them a court, so me no believe you. You understand? We not gonna say him never have a gun in there, but when you say that, me no believe you, because you understand. So the judge want to say, boy, Bobby no old man with gun and carry them guys and carry them a court and them thing there. I don't know how him come by that and let go the boy. You understand? But hey, it's like 2 weeks after that, I just, I'm just running back in a Bobby and them thing there. And this time Bobby no care him go to court because Bobby have to defend himself. I just saw it go. I tell you, yeah man, the judge, I tell you, the judge at gun court say, I want 92. The judge said, no sir, Man say, boy, Mr. Bobby, when I call him name, because if you don't know Bobby right name, when I tell you, Mr. Bobby, when I boy, I say that in a court, and the judge said, no, sir, me not believe you, because you first you come a gun court with gun. So me not believe you. Me not believe say as my boy say him innocent. Me believe say boy innocent. Bobby say I let go boy them thing there. And the boy tell the judge, yeah, thank you, my Lord, and them thing there. Bobby face white, you know, man. Yeah, man, 2 weeks after that, bingo, you know, straight to the departure now. So he say, all right, let the judge come free, you know, and them thing there. I just say it, God. Yeah, so Bobby Reds played a pivot. Hey, and look here, before we go no further. So what them doing them thing there, you know what them doing slope up Bobby after. I mean, Bobby work for years, you know. We never got everything we do, we play by the book, by the rules, yeah. Me and Bobby, we play by the rules. You understand? And in time we left one them thing there, and I saw the man them decide say, cause him but hey, Bob, the man in a stop work, you know. Them decide say, boy, them are cramping. And the man them charged Bobby for 3 separate murder. None of them were 3 murder, you know. Him not a murder, you know, and a good shooting them, you know. And guess what? And the 3 murder they were in charge Bobby for, not one witness them up on the file. You ever see nothing like that yet? Even the director, even the prosecutor, them, I said, boy, them not on a witness statement. And yet still in the case then drag on for 10 years. So now tell me say that's not politics. One man for charged with murder. And you know no witness, no eyewitness. All the upon the file them a police statement, and the people the statement them there and the file support the police and them thing there. Say I shoot out. But them still charge him with murder. 3 murder for 10 years the man out there. You understand? And when him come back and work now, them literally like cramp and say, boy, we don't want you back on the street and them thing there. Make you just sit down in the office and be, you know, I saw them start dismantle the detective them and them thing there. And have them in the office. Because them no want the same criminal police them. You know, Owen Ellington and the other criminals them in a parliament and them thing there. Yeah, them no want a name brand police, because they say name brand police no fight, no reduce crime, and I lie them I tell, yeah man, the guy when named Peter Phillips and Owen Ellington. Because Ellington I like detective, you know, because I treat my thief. But I tell her that. Tell him to sue me. Tell Owen Ellington to sue me. Me I tell her say my thief, and I can't tell her personal things about him with drugs dealer and all of them things. You understand? No guy, hey, one thing, no guy can't call me no thief or me ever rob nobody of them things. Me are involved in that. Me know in them things. Me know all kind of people. Me mix but me not dissolve. You understand? So Bobby Reds play a pivotal role in dismantling the notorious Natty Morgan gang. Yeah man, you have to remember that. So his relentless pursuit and determination weakened the gang, removing many key members from the streets. Furthermore, Bobby Reds took on the bus robbers who had become public menace, endangering the life of commuters by robbing, shooting, and sometimes killing passengers. Bobby Red instrumental of, yeah man, eradicate them. So that was a major victory against bus robbers. You understand? So one of Bobby Red's most significant achievement, yeah man, was his role in eradicating bus robberies in Huntsby police here. For over 7 years, yeah man, when Bobby now charged, after him charged with murder a couple of years, them start get back bus robbery. Because I was like, what? Mr. Bobby charged murder? Boy, them just go on back on them thing there. So name brand policing work, we are telling that. Whether or not you want to believe it. You understand? We are telling name brand policing work. You know, so a testament to the effectiveness of his effort. So the bus robbers either met their end, fled the area, or abandoned their criminal ways, resulting in a significant blow to criminal activities in St. Andrew South Police area, Huntsby Police area. So this victory relieved the commuters, restoring their confidence in public transportation, safety. So Bobby Reds in an unmatched record of firearm recoveries. So during his career, Bobby Reds recovered over 100 firearms. A remarkable feat that underscores his dedication to reducing gun violence, although the exact numbers of arrests and charges for illegal possession of weapons and ammunition during his tenure remains unrecorded. This contribution to law enforcement were undeniably and significant. So here and now, between me and you, only one case below of Bobby ever bring a man come a gun court. And the judge say him not believe Bobby and them thing. Me never say nothing like the judge. I tell the man say him not believe him. You understand? Well, me never carry a brown paper bag or gun. Any police tell the same thing in a brown paper bag or gun put a lie matter. As a peer terrorist, we always have to deal with them thing. So we can't, and we have to in a brown paper bag and them thing. You understand? So yeah, man. So a legacy of integrity. Unlike many of his contemporaries, Bobby Red's reputation was untarnished by allegations of dishonesty. Despite facing accusation of being charged with 3 murders, no witnesses ever came forward to testify against him, underscoring his formidable reputation and perhaps the fear he inspired even among potential accusers. But here now, in the murder case where them charged Bobby, there was no witness. And we make you even hear from a police to anything. They were charged with murder and the man and a murder man sick and dead. May I tell you, hey, Jamaica a criminal's paradise. And the police they end up all got a prison. So make you hear that. So Bobby Red's integrity and dedication to justice set him apart, making him a legendary figure in law enforcement. Bobby Red's career is a testament to the impact one fearless officer can have on a community plagued by crime. His efforts brought notorious criminals to justice and restore a sense of safety and order in Unspear police area. His legacy continues to serve as an inspiration to current and future generation of law enforcement officers. So, hey, look here, you see with our Unspear, anytime we are work, them know, hey, the boy, the criminal, they know when we are working. We don't have no murder then, you know. So that's why them use, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, we don't have no murder. So, why boy, them used to do, but I tell you, hey, them man that you just want to see and the reason why you don't have any police like no Bobby Reds again, because it is designed by the system. The system now what you have to understand, you know, say, the chaos where these criminals cause is a form of distraction for the politician them. That's why them do it. That's why them dismantle CIB to put the focus out there for people think about crime. And all what them do are like thief in what the politician them are doing in a parliament. You're not gonna know because you have people who worry about them safety. Back in them days they man make people safe. So 6 Dadrick Henry, you know, same pass, Dadrick Henry pass and him pass and you know say have a reputation. Yeah, you know say yeah, and what I tell you with certainty say him was a file, you understand? Because I don't know how a man look on all him data and him niece and but we can't. All of these things were allegations. We believe them, but it's just that it's after him dead and anything that we know. If we didn't know before, then we would have put it out. We're not fearing no guy. Although you understand, although we have a lot of respect for him. So Dadrick Henry, a detective whose bravery was unparalleled, made his mark by fearlessly confronting gunfire and notorious criminals. Notably, he was a part of the team that eliminated Jamaica's most wanted man, Nathaniel Natty Morgan. His undercover operation to capture the elusive cop killer Al Capone is legendary. So police, any police will say this, we're always in on a detective again. And detective them are like bank teller, white shirt and pretty tie and man I comb up them here, man in a glass. I mean, I think you know say that CIB man them have glass. Yeah, we pull it in no glass mirror. When man I look and I fix up him face. I mean, a man have tweezer and all kind of thing that, all kind of pretty boy business them thing there. Enough with the other thing that we got work. The only time we put on tireless a coat we go. Because we love the street, we want the people them to feel safe. We want the people them to know so far when they on the street them safe. You understand? And we want, you understand what I'm saying? So Henry's ability to recover illegal guns, illegal firearms and his involvement in high profile cases, including the controversial killing of Tivoli Gardens Don Claudius Massop, solidify his reputation as a fearless enforcer. Dadrick Henry, the fearless and unrelenting detective, was a name that struck fear into the hearts of criminals across the Kingston metropolitan area, and then him got a country center and Hanover. Yeah man, him work, you know. What I tell you, him did reach up and then put him back in a uniform. Yeah, you know, you don't know, him did have kind of, you know, him did kind of mix up with some things and you understand, him the same thief some coke from a brother named Lenny. rob him coke, and I saw them put him back in a uniform, and then them say, guess what? Them say a police kill Lenny after, and them in say them say Dadrick end of them kill him after them rob him, them killing, cause Lenny did connected to man like Danai Williams and boy Dadrick them kill him, them say. That's what them say. That is just allegation. I don't know, and them call some other police name were involved in a thief in a coke from the brother named Lenny. That are just allegation. They wasn't charged, but them use it and put him back in a uniform. However, him get promotion after that to inspector. And did work hard. But this is going to be a 3-part series. So somebody was asking me, yes, if I have a picture of my batch and they want me to name, how many people from my batch is alive. So, all right. So we're gonna start from the left back. That man name is Michael Grant. Yeah, that's my batch. My batch, not my batch, my squad 3. Yeah, we graduate December 88. Yeah, that man at the back, that's the man name is Michael Grant. The man beside Grant now, that's a man named Martin. The man that is beside Martin, that's our class captain, is SSP Wayne Joseph, call him KC. That man beside KC, that man is Robert Clark. Yeah man, them call him Baby Cop. If you remember during the Tivoli incursion inquiry, he was the policeman that was pinned down along Mountain View Avenue when them killed the 2 police them from motorized patrol. He's a sergeant of police, and my squad, yeah man, them call him Robert Clark. We call him Baby Cop. Still alive. So 4 people that I have named, they are still alive. That man beside Baby Cop now is a man named I don't remember his name was called Laurel. His name is Laurel Walker. Yeah man, I call him Skull Mountain. Yeah man, me give him the name the Skull Mountain. So we call him Scully. Yeah, because to him face bony, and he's a man when him laughing, I just bare bone you see in him face. And the man used to suck the craving in it. Them say me used to burn weed too, but never see me smoke no weed. Back in them time they smoke weed as police, and them kick you out of force, but we call him Skull Mountain. Then besides Skull Mountain now, so him dead, yeah, and then the next new now beside him, that tall brother there, what's his name again? I know, him dead now, so honestly, I remember. Morgan, him name Morgan, him was a sergeant, him dead at Manchester. So a Manchester Scully dead, and him dead at Manchester too. Besides Scully now, that our brother now name. Yeah man, I'm a batchmate that too man. Glendon Jagan. Boy, hey, miserable, angry and cross, Hey Jagan, I want police where they chop up some people at Spanish Town, Yeah, me I tell you. And they nearly chop off a man's head. Them call him, I want them call him Agony or something like that at Spanish Town. But I don't know, I forgot to talk. One of them never talk to him. Bad police still doing yeah. He was detective and them thing, boy, him get a fight still, Then at the second row now from back, that woman named Sharon Faulkner. Yeah, Sharon Faulkner. I'm a batchmate, my squad 3. She was at immigration and I saw it going on. People are thief and them thing, and you can't see them, So she was a thief and them thing, and yeah, maybe she can correct me or her husband. I mean, I will batch to and them thing, a cool brother in the same place in Florida and them thing, I sell both. Yeah, Sharon Faulkner. Yeah, and she did run from the police. Then they kick her out. Dismiss her. She the bride. She come from Frankfield, Clarendon. Yeah, Sharon Faulkner. Besides Sharon Faulkner now, what's that girl name? Hewlett Gainer. Yeah, she am squaddy. She a super, she a deputy super. Good girl, you understand? Enough respect for her. Still alive. All the people, only 2 people from my squad so far are dead. Then you have a brother now named Mark Robinson. He come from St. Mary. He left the force as detective sergeant. Yeah, Mark Robinson was a man now. With that Hunsby. My squad is still doing it. Them saying the drunk. And them thief him gun and them thing they don't told some them say some man that's what them saying me don't know. So them say man tie him up and carry him go Riverton and all kind of thing and him lose him gun. For about 4 years him a detective and him not have no gun. Until them finally give him back a gun. Cause cowboy say I lie him in a tell and I junk him and lose him gun. Me don't know. How a man, me don't know how him lose him gun and them thing. Cause normally if a police lose him gun, them kill you. I don't know if them do recover him gun. I did left the force after them thing in my squad. Then beside him now you have a youth named Bogle. I don't remember Bogle first name and them thing there. Bogle. Bogle. Him still, I don't know if him still in the police force. The last thing I know is that Bogle did a protective service. Yeah, then beside Bogle now, yeah man, the man that used to cross him man with the Red Sea, man. I mean that, yeah man, that I mean that at 18 and much, the youngest police in a my batch and them thing there. Yes, in a my squad and batch. The three youngest police that was in the squad, in the batch, in my squad was me. I was the youngest. Then the brother you see at the front, him name Leroy Wade, we call him Mad Roy. Me call him Mad Roy, I mean give me name, and really mad still though, and then baby cop Robert Clark. Clark still a serve on him thing name a sergeant. Yeah, so beside me now that guy now what him name again? Old is a old man on him thing there. Why him did a special branch on him thing there. I'm a squad you know. But I'm not remember him name, I believe you me right now. That is a little old man and them thing. Him was all Boston. Even though what Boston mean and them thing there. You understand? Him was all Boston. Can't remember. Ennis. Ennis, yeah. Ennis. No, Ennis or Dennis. I think Dennis, yeah, name Dennis. Either Dennis, yeah, I sent me where him come from. Dennis. Yeah, Dennis him name. I the two with Dennis, him, and you have one next one where I have Egged. And him, the one with Egged, they mean a squad 5, Dennis. Yeah, him come from St. Mary, brother, the Dennis. Then beside Dennis now, you have a guy who come from Sligerville and Owen Peters. The man there, you know, was holy and dough, you know, man. I tell you, yeah, him did lose the work too because of dishonesty. Him did have narcotics. All the man there, you know, the man there, at one point, they did have the man there as class captain, you know, for the squad. And yeah, the man wasn't a friend of them thing. And the man lose the work fast because he got narcotics and get himself wind up and thief and all kind of things. So, you know, them kick him out of the force. Him did lose the work. The man was the last man you'd expect to lose the work. My brother now beside him now near Wayne Wellington. Yeah. Good boy and him can shoot good. Some people say that him was that's how you know, alleged, you know. At first maybe when I hear them thing. Some people did say him was a brigadista. I mean, you know, true on them thing. That's how it was rumor, you know, whisper on them thing. Someone say my brigadista and them thing. I don't know, I never asked him. I don't know if I true. Wayne Wellington, them say him was a brigadista. My batchmate. I don't know if him still in a force and them thing. Then right beside him now is a brother named Paul Pearson. He come from Sligo, Point Hill. Yeah, Paul Pearson. Yeah, man, him, you know, him, hey, the man look like real dark. Hey, the man look them out of them thing there. The man look like some real, the man look like some real dog, you know, cause, yeah, man, so, yeah. You see most of them man, you know, cause we only used to live by the same dam and them thing there, you understand, dam too. Yeah. Everybody I tell you who not dead, who dead we tell us them dead and who alive. Paul Pearson retired. Sincere and them thing there. The man the old army, you know. Then right to the front now, yeah, brother now name Shaka. Yeah, so to the front now, the man that we see with him and them stretch a black man name name Malcolm, we call him me call him Shaka, me give him that name there. Yeah, Shaka. Yeah, you know, Shaka was my roommate and them thing there. Then beside Shaka now, the brother, I not remember where Jackson, because we was roomie. Yeah, Jackson. You know, him you know, some people say my rear admiral and them thing there. Me and him was no friend of them thing because, you know, some of my man, you know, some me was no friend of them thing because him come from St. Mary and them thing, and him kind of used to, you know, him kind of behave like a kind of, you know, really, them say my rear admiral, but hey, he never come to be with him thing, but me and the man was no friend, although we are roomie. Right beside Jackson is a brother named Barnes. We call him Johnny Barnes. He come from Manchester. Last time I checked me know say massage and him there traffic and them thing. Him did a mobile and all them thing. Yeah, Barnes. Donovan Barnes him name. Yeah, beside Donovan Barnes and the guy when name Macpherson. I think Anthony Macpherson name. So him did marry to the woman when name where say the one at the second row to the left. Yeah, that woman in the name Sharon Fartner. That's her name? Yeah, Sharon Fartner. Him did marry to her. The brother name, an Indian brother named Macpherson. He come from St. Mary. Then beside him now, you have a brother now named Saka Brown. Him a KC, Wayne Joseph, that I who are SSP. Him in charge of CIB headquarters. Yeah, them come from prison all Boston, but him for some reason him did end up him did get a cripple on the job and them thing. Him have something when I don't know what that thing. Never go look for him and them thing. We never did close, and you understand what I'm saying? And him end up dead must about 2 years ago. For years, him did bedridden. Alright, then how would a brother know? Oh, the brother named Dwight Garden. We call him Drunkler. Me call him Drunkler and him thing there. Yeah, him come from St. Mary. Him did get St. James, end up migrate to America. Him come from St. Mary. I don't know what happened to him. If him dead or that prison, me him Dwight Garden. Me call him Drunkler and him thing there. And the name did stick with him. Yeah, and beside him now was a brother now. Me and him in a cadet, him name Leroy away. Me call him Mad Rai. Yeah. So I just saw it go. So those are few. So let me say how many people from my batch pass away. So Saka passed away, that a Brown, then Morgan, and then Scully. Scully are the only one that get gunshot and dead. You know, everybody else alive and everything. Some serving, some retire, and some, you know, no longer in our service, as yours truly. Yeah, so so those are one I ask and everything. And we're not telling nothing again, but we batch, you understand? So I just saw it go. People want to know, want to your batch and everything there, your squad. This is not a batch, a squad. The squad would be, and it's 5 squad. Alright, so the reason this video will go over 30 minutes, so your feedback on our data analytics reign supreme. In today's data-driven world, we deeply value your insight as they are the compass that guides us in tailoring our content to suit your needs and preferences better. Your role in this process is invaluable, and we thank you for it. We have heard from many of you, our dedicated viewers, Patreon members, and subscribers, regarding the length of our videos. We recognize that content that is too lengthy can be daunting and may not fit your busy schedule. We assure you that we are committed to keeping our non-live videos under 40 minutes, but this adjustment makes our content more accessible and enjoyable, ensuring you can easily consume and appreciate what we create. We incredibly grateful to our Patreon members, as we telling them already. Your ongoing support is invaluable and help us continue to producing high quality content. We are committed to offering a significant value and exclusivity to our most dedicated supporters, and we look forward to welcoming more of you to our Patreon community. Yeah man, come over there, you'll get to see some things. Yeah, you understand? As we tell you before, we're going to release a thing. Trust me, ours, you're going to hear this yourself. And this is a conversation where you're going to hear in-depth and personal things about policing, corruption, murder. And you're going to know why we leave the police force. So some people ask, oh, you're such a, you seem like there's nobody who can come out and say the thief and thing. And the only thing people can come out and say, boy, oh, you shoot this or you shoot that and them thing. Because we're a crime fighter. So, yeah, nobody can say we thief because we're not a thief. You understand? Period. We don't believe in that because we don't like thief. We're born and growing and get we don't like thief. That's why we join police first. Because we want to reduce crime and them thing. You understand? We do want to become like a Tom Levine. But hey, unfortunately, we're not for the scar it a day. If you save yourself, I just say it because they would have killed me. They would have killed me, you understand? So each of our videos, once it's more than 30 minutes, will now end with a clear call to action, inviting viewers to join our Patreon community. This highlights the benefits of membership and encouraging more of you to take advantage of our extended content and special perks. We take pride in being responsive to your feedback and proactive in implementing solutions that cater to your preference. This engagement is critical to building a supportive community around our channel. Your input drives us to improve continuously, and we are committed to using your feedback to guide our future content. Together, we will continue to produce excellent work and deepen our connection with you. Thanks for being an integral part of our journey. Your support, whether through viewing our content, being a Patreon member, or providing feedback, sharing the video, is invaluable to us. Together, we will continue to grow and evolve, and we look forward to doing so with you by our side. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out. So you have 2 more parts to get, so you will know who are the #1 police. I will tell you, when I just get a little snips, because I will tell you earlier, and this is an entertainment. I know some people love entertainment, but We none of that. We're about educating people. So obviously have a beautiful day. Heal up man like Tom Levine, Isaiah Leng, Bigger Ford, yeah man, Bobby Reds. Yeah. So you don't know, say Tom Levine our idol and them thing. And big up Mr. Levine and them family. And you make we, yeah, you set the part, you know, that impression that I leave on this young boy when he was 4. Yeah man, still to this day, remember that first time I see him, man, and thanks. When I talk about my family member, them were police and them thing, them can't come down area them thing, although them bad to all them thing, you understand? Some of them, you know, one of them, them kill him in him yard. Still a family in the police force. Yeah man, me have a cousin, boy, almost 40 years. I mean, I go call him rank and them thing. Some police know him, some no know. You have a police where a brother and them thing in the police was detective sergeant and all them. I call him name either and all of them thing. I have a whole heap of family in the police was see me. Me have a police where me have a family where they do work on internal affairs. The police that even know me join all the work before my cousin. You understand? And my cousin end up get a detective sergeant. Me have a cousin where join all the force after me. Me encourage him. Him left now and him get all I tell you I just say it got them thing there. And last but not least, I want to tell you this. The brother when named Zippy Hines, I not even know say he was my cousin until in time. Me about to leave the police force and one of my cousin who come from my mother country make me know. Me never did know that and I saw him get all for him promotion. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.